Gentlemen, welcome to today's video of Engineerded because I have yet to think of a better name for the channel. So we're in the M Coupe. I'm heading over to my buddy Kurt's house, and he's got a Z32 300ZX that we SR20 swapped a couple years ago. The motor ended up blowing. We spent like, a year or two kind of rebuilding it, letting it sit, letting it marinate, because that's what you got to do when you blow your motor.
I think we should check the torque values. We'll bring it out next season. We'll know exactly what's up with it. We're gonna tighten it down. 24 pounds, everything.
Everything?
That's it.
Bonus clip, the SR needs a full rebuild. The more we take it apart, the more broken shit we find, so it's fucking mint. So today we're gonna be buttoning it up. We've got a couple things to do, like drain the gas, do fuel lines, vacuum hoses, a little bit of wiring. And with any luck, we should be able to start it up today and maybe drive it. Let's get to work. We out here, Kurt's house, back from AutoZone. It's carbon fiber, but it's pretend because it's like a layer on top of the fiberglass. Got the 300ZX. There she is in all of her beautiful glory.
You know, they talk about weight reduction. This is weight addition. This thing's like 8,000 pounds.
Alright, got the battery installed, delete mod.
This is how you install a battery.
Hey, whoa, there's only 3 bolts on that bracket we installed. Alright, relax. Alright, no, but actually we just came back from AutoZone. We had a list, high-tech, RTV, belts, vacuum lines, forgot those. Plugs, hose clamps, got those. Fluids, wires, battery, anyway. There's the water pump. Oh, the bearing's fine, but, I don't know, good to replace it. Clean it off, RTV. You're done.
Hey, son.
Yes?
What's the off chance a certain someone on a motorcycle in North Carolina watches your YouTube channel and sees he's on the wall in here?
He's a legend. All right, we were in Tennessee, killed the dragon. We may or may not have been pulled over. It's okay, don't worry about it. That CBR was involved.
Our lawyer said not to comment.
When was that, 2 years ago now?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah. James, was it James? We need to do some respect on James P. Dalton.
This is a Nissan. Innovation that excites, right?
Innovation that depresses you for 8 years and you own it.
I forget how much I hate scraping gaskets.
I forget how much battery tie downs make me want to.
Nissan!
For perspective.
Innovation that does not excite.
Well, you see what BMW does is put a gasket on everything, which on one hand, I guess is a pain because you gotta wait for parts. But then, like, on the nice side, you don't have to fucking
Honda?
scrape gasket maker off.
Gasket, no gasket, it'll run.
Got that Honda bonding.
That's right, Honda, but you just gotta believe.
Mm.
Like Santa Claus, right? It's like, you ever watch the Polar Express when they ring the bell? That's the same shit.
You just gotta get a Ford. You may be broken on the side of the road every once in a while, but you know it works. At least it's not a Chevy.
At least it's not. We're gonna upset a lot of viewers.
All 13.
All of the one of which is my dad.
Who drives a Chevy?
Hello,
That's,
I'm
dude,
Andy.
That thing's got like over 200,000 miles on it, and we have done like ball joints, and that's about it. I don't
Still running, brother.
It's been replaced. I mean, it works. The trans has been slamming into second gear for the past like 7 years, but she's still holding up.
I can't help but feel that this battery tie down is not going to work.
Look, Kurt, we're like almost there. What's the problem here with it?
It's too short. It's the story of my life.
Fuck, you cut it in. Oh. Who farted? I don't. I had a whiff.
Don't you blame the shop dog.
Oh my god.
No, what a dog. Kurt, how did you rip ass?
That is bad.
Oh my god. It smells like waste management company. tight until you hear it crack back off board current. She's fucking tight, brother.
Found your
Pressure
windshield.
washers, so.
Found your
I'm just
windshield
a little
wiper.
skewed.
Yeah. Every time we put plugs in this car, it's like anxiety.
Because it's like.
Is that a little box of goodies?
Yeah, I found the windshield wipers.
Ain't going nowhere.
Bench grinding time.
I need 2 cups flour, stat.
Hold on.
Sous chef, Denali,
Hey, glasses on.
flour.
Safety splints, brother.
You have no washer on it?
Oh, I should get glasses on. That was right there.
How many does it take to clean a bolt?
That's a great question.
That's the old one. Huh?
Oh, that's the one that was risk.
I mean, the
She's holding time, brother.
How many times has this been blown up?
We don't talk about that.
This is during graduation.
The VG had a header leak that was actually rod knock.
He diagnosed
Then
the head leak. The car diagnosed the rod knock.
That's pretty accurate.
What happened the second time?
SR went in. No, the SR was good. It just was like always had issues, and then it went deep boom. And
No one
that was
knows
like
why.
2 years ago. How long ago? Well, we know why.
November of 2020.
You
You can see through the.
Old cat.
See in there. It says Tomei.
I got you. Hold on. Flashlight right there. See? Tume.
Tummy ache? Yep. What tummy hurts? Wibble wobbly, I'm not gonna lie, brother.
A little weeble wobbly.
Yeah,
Some fellas you were doing that.
Don't worry about it. That's unnecessary weight.
that's a feature.
Where's your phone?
I got it. So batteries hooked up, maybe theoretically. We'll see if lights turn on and fuel maybe squirts. Oh, brother! We're gonna figure out which fuel line is the feed. It was gonna be one goes to the floor, one goes to the regulator. Now it's gonna be one goes in the monster can, one goes in the regulator. The regulator goes to who knows where. Yeah,
No. Yeah, this one.
it's going in the monster can. That works. Does it smell like gas? Does it taste like gas?
Ain't got no gas in it.
Yeah, I know what's wrong with it. We rebuilt the motor, it just ain't had no gas in it. Oh, baby, hold on. Big brain. Big
There we
brain.
go.
It's like double funnel, man.
There we go.
Kurt, how's she looking down there, brother?
What?
Okay, good. Well, that's how you know there was trans fluid in there.
Once upon a time.
Just like in Bud Light.
Don't put that in the video.
93 engineering.
Oh no.
Whoa! Did you, brother?
Why do I feel like there's gonna be fuel all over our garage?
This is not gonna be.
Here it comes.
It's not.
Ah!
Oh my god.
Where's the fuel pump relay? Do we want to look up the fuel pump relay location? Everything is worn off, so we're not confident. We're not stupid, I promise. I mean, well, that's kind of.
No, that. Oh, there you go.
Oh! All right. Let's pop the hose off and.
Well, it's gonna be under pressure now.
What you doing? What you doing back here?
Yasser, you ready?
Yeah, yes, he's ready. It's ready, baby.
Is it going?
Yep.
Okay.
It's working?
Yes.
Oh! Oh!
Yeah, we're gonna have to open that
Is it a strong stream?
God.
Can't hear, but maybe.
We're doing a prostate exam.
Oh my god, it's stinky.
The funnel. I'm looking at this part.
How many cooks in the fucking kitchen?
This is
Too many.
safe. This is OSHA proof. This can go right in my eyes. How you feeling, buddy?
My heart is in my throat right now.
So I think we're ready to start the car. There's gonna be vacuum leaks. We don't have vacuum lines hooked up, so it's probably gonna idle high, but it should start. So I don't know. Fingers crossed. Try it.
There's no papers anywhere.
Injectors are plugged in.
Ground important.
I think we're good. Getting fuel pressure. You got fuel pressure.
Check for leaks.
Yep. injectors or the coil packs are plugged in. It's not even puffing though. Is everything wired up right?
So we got fuel.
Sure that fuel. We have no pressure.
What are the big three again?
Fuel pump relays, plug back on the pressure.
Fuel,
Where's the
spark.
hard back to on these? Double check the active. It's like it's not getting a spark.
Doesn't stay.
That's the only thing I can think of at the moment.
Yeah.
Ah!
That'll do it.
Alright. Alright, round 2. Exhaust is not hooked up. Okay. It's been like 2 years, if not more.
How you are. You just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you.
Anything either, so.
We might have an air pocket in the block because I didn't see coolant moving through the rad, so I'm trying to like squeeze the lower hose, but it runs. I
thought
told
it
you.
was time. I forgot the exhaust was.
There we go.
Woo! That's smoky.
That's
Do you
spicy.
want to put the exhaust on and like let it idle and stuff, and leave the coolant? Like, what time is it?
Time to party? It's time to party. It starts.
Let's have a beer, buddy.
Holy fuck, my
This has been Kurt's biggest anxiety for like 2 years. He is terrified of this car because every time we run it, something happens. So, it's like 5th time's the charm.
Oh my god.
Gentlemen.
Here we go.
Cheers.
What the hell are you drinking?
Cheers, everybody.